Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Happy Tuesday. Today we are doing our Tiny Tot Tuesday savings. I have $20 here today, and all of these savings will go towards Aria's sinking funds at the end of the month. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna do 2 per challenge just because it goes faster that way, I think, and I don't have to spend as much time rolling. Okay, ooh, what's it gonna be? 1. Alrighty, 1 again. 6, 6, 2, and we're gonna do, well, we'll just see, 4. Okay, so these 2 didn't get anything. This one is by Faith Hope Budgeting, and this one is by Overthinking and Budgeting. So none for these ones today, but that's okay. We'll get them next time. All right, so our first challenge here is by Plan to Save Designs. We are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have $1 left over, so we'll stick that right there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm gonna grab a 10 right here. We'll just make some change. All right, and we finish this on 311. We have $12. There we go. So we'll add this to our finished challenges bag. All right, our next challenge here is by Vicky Thinks, and each one of these hearts is $2. So we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get to color in 2 of these. 1 and 2. So we have $6 here total, and we should hopefully finish this next week. All right, next we have a new challenge. This one is by High Country Budgeting. We are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get this started. Let's make each leaf $2. So we have 2, 4, and we will just fold this one over so that we know it needs a partner still. This one didn't get any this week. Each one of these will be $2. That one is by Faith Hope Budgeting. This one didn't get any either. This one is by Overthinking and Budgeting. So we'll start that one next week. Hopefully it'll get some. And this one is by What's Poppin' Sunshine. And we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4 to this. Actually, you know what? Yeah, that's fine. We'll just 2 and 4. So each one is $2. And let me, let's put this last dollar here with this High Country Budgeting one so we can fill in another leaf right here. There we go. So that one has 6 now. All right, and that is it for this video, guys. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your week. And I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully, for our Scratch and Save binder. Bye.